What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing fabulous. Sandbox today is pumping massively up 10%, so we're going to take a look at some price targets and why this coin is pumping right now. So rank 48, $1.1 billion market capitalization. It's good to see this particular play to earn token finally pumping once again from its downtrend. We can see 3 months ago it came as low as 38 cents, so it's done a 2x now. Really nice. And who says bear markets can't make you money? So it's looking pretty strong at the moment. Top play to earn tokens, we've got Sandbox at rank 3, so it's still one of our blue chip go-to play to earn ecosystems. And you know, this is probably why. So looking at what's going on Twitter, they've got a huge partnership right now with the leading Japanese animation studio known as P2E Animation. So together with Minto Inc., they're going to bring Toyo's iconic work to life in the metaverse. So more collaborations, more games, bigger development, more total value locked in, more players will come to this particular ecosystem, which is just absolutely fantastic. Remember guys, I'm doing a $1,000 giveaway. Subscribe to the channel, have a look down below in the comments section in the description box as well, and you can see my $1,000 giveaway. So please do enter and consider getting yourself into my Discord channel as well, which is a great place to learn during the crypto winter where things are a little bit boring. Great place to learn, look at technical analysis, insights, free chart signals, and also pre-sales. Much more included as well, so get yourself down there into the Discord channel. Sandbox is also looking really good. On the on-chain data side of things, we're seeing a lot of volume come through, a lot more unique wallet holders at the same time. So this is part of their announcement with the Japanese animation studio, and on the sidelines we can also see, to give some more momentum, they're saying to celebrate this exclusive partnership, they're going to give away an exclusive NFT to the first 1,000 signups who use the link below. So I mean, go ahead guys, sign up, and I suppose you're going to potentially win a free NFT if there are not already over 1,000 signups there. So check that out as well if you like your NFTs. Now this is quite funny, I can't believe that they actually did a collaboration with Paris Hilton. Kind of cringe, but I think it probably worked. It did the magic. You know, you can see here it says Paris Hilton collaborates with the Sandbox for Valentine's Day, and you look over here and you can see they had this really kind of cringy animation over here on one of the stories. This is supposed to be some little like blonde Minecraft character. Here's another one here. So it's kind of funny to see that people are actually using the metaverse augmented reality to even escape during like real world events like Valentine's Day. So they've called it Parisland. Players will choose a wedding ring or gown and flirt with other contestants, but the most difficult decision of all will be finding their true love. So this was probably, of course, a big catalyst as well to the positive price momentum of Sandbox. So let's have a look at what's going on in terms of the price action at the moment. We can see in retrospect, of course, we're down significantly. It is a bear market. This is what happens. You go through stages of euphoria, overbought positions into undervaluation phases where you're in extreme greed. Came down as low as 96%. Now we speculated it would come down more to 23 cents, but it never came down this low, which is probably a good thing. So it dropped to 0.35. And since that particular drop, which occurred in January 2023, and that's after the FTX crisis, that's after all the other black swan events like Terra Luna crashing, which happened in May 2022, as we all know, terrible event, we had this rising wedge, and unfortunately Sandbox did lose the support momentarily from 0.77, and it did actually retest this support trend line of 0.69. So there was a bearish reversal pattern here, and now we're looking for the next swing, guys. So from this particular level down, the next price targets for me is going to be around $1.37 if we can see bullish continuation in the markets here for Bitcoin and basically the rest of blockchain. So that's a 73% price target from this level. It won't be a complete breakout. It will be kind of chopping sideways for a while. Of course, got a resistance at 0.87, and then we should see just a slow but steady increase to this price target. That is my speculation right here, guys. I do think it's honestly going to be an accurate one, and at some point in the future we will see that $1.37 price level. Of course, we've got resistance here as well for Sandbox at 0.87. So interesting to see a perfect bounce off of the 20-day moving average here on the weekly time frame, and then moving into the daily, we can see there is that bullish reversal. Came down, we dropped as low as 0.65, and then we got that bullish pump up to 0.79, which offered investors a massive impulse of up to 20% right there. The corrective phase and then down, so loads of buying pressure along the 0.69 level support for Sandbox. Looking at the smaller time frames, slightly led into the overbought position over here. which isn't really a bad thing. Volume is slanting and dropping off at the moment, so overbought territory almost. I would probably wait for a small correction here to see what happens. Maybe we can get a pullback on the fib to around the 0.71 level and then see some continuation to the upside here. But if we get more big announcements from Sandbox like the ones that we've already seen today, look through the Twitter, try find some news based pumps or partnerships before the volume kicks in, get in before everyone else, and then you should see some positive price movement. So that's a short-term prediction here for Sandbox. If we look at the circulation of sand, 50% is in circulation, so you've got to consider that as well. That could be known as a bearish factor. If 50% of the coins are in circulation, you could technically see a market capital all-time high, but a unit cost per coin, you might not see an all-time high there, because, you know, 50% more tokens go in supply. You're going to see the price drop in half, which is not really a good thing. Other targets for 2023, I think realistically $1.82. But guys, remember, this is your classic bear market bull run. In my opinion, this is just a temporary phase, which will probably lead into a dead cat bounce of some sort. I do not think Bitcoin will be going over 30k in 2023 for a long time. If it gets there, it will be there for a while, a couple of days, and then it will come crashing back down, because we are still in this bear market right now, guys. Economy is going to get worse, recession will get worse, inflation will remain throughout the whole entire year. And if you want to become a patron too, guys, I have different membership levels for you. The VIP holder one, you're going to get early access to pre-sales, whitelistings like Battle Infinity and Tamadoja. It's returned huge ROI for investors. And we're also doing VIP things in the Discord channel. You're going to get a free ebook, one-on-one lessons. You're going to get exclusive signals to yourself, as well as just hand holding like leverage trade signals, futures, spot trade signals, DCA signals, whatever you need, guys. I will help you and do my best to help you through this crypto winter. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please smash that subscribe button if you are new here. That really helps the channel grow. Like, comment, let me know what you think about Sandbox. See you soon, guys. Bye for now.